Hello friends, let's solve this percentage problem on the screen. If A is 95% of B, then what percentage of A is B? Here I will use the concept of X percentage of Y equals to Y percentage of X. In the problem it has given that A is 95% of B. That means A equals to 95. You have to remove the percentage symbol. So for that you have to divide with 100 times of B. Then that will be A equals to, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. That will be 19 by 20 times B. If you move 19 by 20% to the other side, then you will get the B value. Then that will be B equals to 20 by 19 times A. We have to find the percentage of A. So if you want to put the percentage, then keep the symbol and multiply with the 100. Then that will be B equals to 2000 by 19 percentage of A. This is improper fraction. You have to convert into mixed fraction. Then that will be 2000 by 19. You have to divide. Then that will be 19 times 1 is 19. 20 minus 19 is 1. And you have to put down 0. So 19 is greater than 10. So we can't divide. So you need to bring down another 0. And you have to, for that you have to keep 1 0 in the quotient. Now 19 times 5 is 95. So 5. Here the remainder is 5. How we can write the mixed number quotient and remainder by divisor. 19 is divisor, 105 is the quotient. Then that will be B equals to 105 and 5 by 19 percentage of A. Here what percentage of A? 105 and 5 by 19 is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more videos.